A few moments later.
Good morning guys, happy Saturday. Today is December 27. Yan, time check 11:20 AM. Ang aga namin dito sa aming pupuntahan. Nandito na agad kami sa visitors parking. Yan, a-attend kami ng birthday ni Clark, ang anak ni Kuya John and Ate Joyce. Kaming tatlo lang. Yan si Hili, oh. Kami ay passenger princess for today's video. Naiwan si Mama. Pahinga muna at too much partying na din. Sunod-sunod ang mga ganap this Christmas. So, ayan. Itong isa ay nag-GO muna. Para tahimik siya. Ay. 12 naman yung party. So, magstay na muna kami dito. Buti nga ang dami pang spot ng visitors parking. Maganda tong area nila. Yan. Mababait sa mga visitors kasi may free parking. Doon sa amin kasi wala. Kailangan mo pa magbayad doon sa P1. Iba-iba talaga ang mga rules per building. Yan. Chill muna kami dito. See you guys later. Are you the passenger princess there? Wow! Up! Don't touch. Gusto niya dyan sa'yo kasi magiging driver yan. Magbi-beep-beep yan. Last time, ang lakas ng busina mo, Hili. Nagulat yung mga tao dun sa simbahan eh.
Ay, papatayin ko na yung makina.
Alam na nga niya guys, magbukas ng wiper eh. Daig pa ako. Ayan na, sabi kanya eh. Gusto niya yan. Tignan mo. Ayan, na-wiper na.
Ay, sus!
Marunong pati tubig.
Patay tayo.
Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Hailey. No. Ikaw naman. Ayun oh. Ano, magiging F1 driver ka? Oy, no. What color is that? White! Good job! You want to be a driver?
Tama na.
Enough na. You say hi!
Hi!
Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas! Wow! Where are you going? Going to a birthday party? Nice outfit! And it's cold again. Oh, let's wait for Daddy. Nakikiparty kami guys. Dala-dala pa ni Hili tong iPad oh.
Ilan ba yung ano niya?
Sige, meron dyan.
Ilang peraso?
May dalawa pa yan. Nakadalawa na siya ngayon eh. Dalan mo ng extra. Jesus!
Dalawa na lang ata ito.
Kaya nga eh, 4 lang inano mo. Tapos meron siya dito yung ano niya, inumin. May isa akong kinuha dito sa small bag niya.
Saan siguro?
You say happy birthday!
Hello!
Happy birthday, Kuya Clark! Say happy birthday, Kuya Clark! Ano na?
Yung water natin dala mo.
Let's go! Hailey! Nakakita ka pa? Let's go, mag-buzzer na tayo. This one, give this to Kuya. Give this to Kuya Clark. Give this to Kuya Clark. Say happy birthday.
Birthday.
There you go. And the other one to Kuya. Kuya Calvin. Give this one. Oh, give it to Kuya. Over there, over there, over there. Give it to Kuya Calvin. Give it. Merry Christmas. Galing na, galing. Nautusan ko na to ah. Nautusan ko na.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One eternity later. few moments later.
Hailey over there! Hailey!
Plants versus Zombies, baka matakot ka.
Wow! Thank you, tita! Thank you, tita! Oh, you have a gift! You have a gift! What's inside? Open? What's inside? Ay, gusto yata niya. What's inside?
It's a picture.
Wow! Tuwan-tuwa ate! Wow! You say thank you! Oh, kiss tita! Kiss! Kiss tita! Come on, kiss! Kiss! Wow! Say thank you! Gusto niya yung ganyan mga stuffy ate. Happy birthday, Kuya Clark! Let's go! Snowing na ba? Ikala ko snowing eh. Mukhang nagtitiktok din sila doon ah. Ay, may asin na! May asin na ang daan. Let's go! Let's go! Saan nag-park kuya? Diyan din sa visitors? Bye-bye, Ate Rai Rai! Bye-bye, Hailey! Thank you, tita! Let's go, Hailey! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
One eternity later.
After maki-birthday party, back to errands kami. And we're here sa Costco. Maraming tao, guys. Hanggang alas 7 lang sila today. Yes, lamig, oh. Yung parang inong ko nga eh. Parang ano eh. Kami nanginginig kami ni Hailey.
Bird ni Kuya dyan, no?
Ah, saan? Oo.
Ito yung mga gold dito.
Ito mama yung mga gold, oh. Ito Costco. Hindi pa tayo tumigil kakatingin dito.
Ay, kasi dito eh.
Pati yung shark na vacuum guys nakasilo, less 60. 190 na lang. Itong B12 minus 300 eh, pero mahal pa rin. Nasa 500 something. Hello! Say hi! Hi! Magkano yan? Coffee. Espresso machine. Magkano? Naku, 590. Ayan. Talaga matututo ka magbarista dyan. Ba. Ay! Ismig. Ano yan? Itim. Bago yan?
Simple lang.
650 na Smeg espresso
Fully
machine.
automatic.
Oo nga, napakasimple pero ang mahal.
Galing, no?
Smeg. Na di ba ang nauuso dyan yung toaster, water kettle, di ba? Na Smeg. Ito yung mahal na rice cooker, ano? Ay, hindi, Tiger to eh. Asan ang isa? 130. Coco. Mga nakasalo. Rococo 3-piece set. $16. Ano yung tsura ng pan 24 months? Tingnan natin. Maghahanap pa sa ilalim. 3 months. Doon sa kabilang side yan. 6-18. Ito. I wanna see... Ay, wala silang to. Ito, 24 months. Ito, han. Yan. Patingin, gano'ng kalaki? Kay Hailey. Ah, ganito na naman. Marami siyang ganito eh. Parang onesie. Yeah. Marami na si Hailey ganito eh. Oh, let's go. Naka-sale guys yung Adidas running shoes. So, $30 na lang. Ayan, kagulo sila dyan. Let's wait for daddy. Where's the milk? Where's the milk? Over there! Let's get a milk. Ayun yung water ni Hailey dun. Oh. Yay! Yay! Ano expiry? Ano expiry? Ano expiry?
January 13. Hindi
Okay.
naman tatagal.
Etong homo guys ni Hailey, Diyos ko 3 days na lang sa kanya. Dati 1 week. Yung 4 liters siya na home. Ang bilis maubos ngayon ng gatas niya. Right? You love your milk? Milk. Daddy will get your water. There you go. And Daddy will get some bathroom tissue. Let's wait for Daddy. Oh, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Naka-sale? Mas marami kasi yung kulay, yung Kirkland na yun eh.
Anong kulay blue?
Oo. Ayun, naka-sale yung isa eh, Purex. I don't know kung ilang pieces yun eh, kung mas madami pa rin yung Kirkland.
30 yata mahigit yun.
Mahigit, oo. Ayan, wait ulit tayo dito. Kumukuha ng egg si Harold. Andun sa wagon yung ibang pinamili.
Mommy.
Yes, Hailey! Ayan na yung egg.
Can see you.
Yun yung $9 something? Okay. What's that, Hailey? Egg? Egg! Let's go! May mga plants na naman sila dito, guys. Nagtingin pa si Harold, oh. Tropical. Magkano yung rubber tree? Buhay na buhay pa yung rubber tree ko, eh. 20? Yan yun? Oh. Patingin. Uy. Kaso parang ano na, ang tanda na. Hindi eh. Parang ang tanda na nung ano niya, oh, ibang kulay na. Mga plantita na naman, no? Ang lalaki ng mga halaman, no? May snake plant, $20. Labas na naman yung mga ano, naman. Plants. Okay na ako yung sa plants ko. Open! Woo! Open muna, open
go,
muna,
go.
Daddy.
Oh!
Yay! Magic!
Kunwari, out of the box. Ah,
Yay!
You want?
What do you say?
What did you say? Thank you. Okay, you're welcome.
Oh.
One eternity later.
Hello guys! Nasa bahay na kami from Costco. Mag-open ng gift. Ay, baby! Mag-open kami ng gifts kasi may na-receive kaming gifts. Dinrap by dito sa amin sa building. Yan, kasi nasa Costco kami, guys. So, i-unbox namin to. Let's go, Hailey. This one is yours, oh. Ito muna nahin natin, oh. From Tito and Tita to, eh. Open. Open. What's inside? Let's see. I will help you. Let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3! What's that? What's that? Open! Open mo yan! What's this? Ay, for baby to? Shoes! Is that shoes? Oh, for Hailey, socks! Socks! I think that shoes is for ano, malit na to kay Hailey.
Baby.
0 to 3 to. Thank you! Kila Rahel and Rachel. This one for Hailey to for sure. Is it? This one. Ay, 1 to 3 months kay baby pa din. Cute. Kay baby. What's this? Ay, for baby. Leo, ang cute changing mat. Ay, kay baby. Kay Hailey yung ano, socks. Thank you. There you go. Ang cute ng ano, shoes. Yan. And then, eto, kay baby din to. At sa akin. Ayan. Jolly Jumper. There you go. May ano kami, nursing pillow again. Thank you, guys. Ayan. And may isa pang gift. Ito ang cute ng kanilang card. Oh, may picture sila. Isay and Harold. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The Espiritus. Ayan, guys. Oh. Let's open. I-keep natin to. Maganda yung ano nila. Oh, nagpa-print. Sana hindi masira. Whoop. There you go. Ayan. Let's open. Busy na yung isa, guys. Ako na mag-open na itong gift sa amin. Hello. Uy! Wow! Mug! Couple mug. Wow! Thank you! Open? Oh, what color is this? Red. Oh, this one. What color? Pink! Good job! Open? Oh, you wanna open? Open? Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, we need scissors. We need scissors. We need to get scissors. Oh, wait. We need to get scissors. We wanna open this. Eh, this is ano eh. Fragile. Babasagin. That's for mommy and daddy's coffee mug. Right? There's a heart too. Ganda. Ganda, guys. Oh. And nakita ko dun sa recycling bin namin tong Lululemon na package ko. Yan, kaya pala hindi ako naka-receive ng email saka ng text today kasi dinaan nila dun sa building namin. Usually dumadaan to sa concierge tapos nilalagyan nila ng number and nagsasend sila ng text and email sa amin na may package kaming dumating. So, buti na lang, dun din kami sa lobby dumaan nila Hailey. Nakita ko tong mga plastic ng Lululemon. Sabi ko, tingnan ko nga, baka nandyan yung sa akin. Nakita ko, meron. Isay Chan, nabudol ng Boxing Day online. Nakita ko, naka-sale to. Ang bilis na eh, parang 25 ba ng gabi yun? Yeah, parang or 26 na ng madaling araw kung nakita yun. Basta ang bilis, parang isang araw lang, nandito na agad. Sabay na natin i-unbox. Ay, walang kasamang paper bag ang Lululemon. Meron pang paano. Yung pinaka, packaging, nila, slip. Ayan, guys, oh. I got the pink belt bag. Yan. From $44, parang 26 something na lang to kasama na tax. Yan yung naka-Boxing Day sale nila. So, I got the pink one. Yan, para maiba naman yung color. Yan. Same nung black and white namin. Tapos yung kay Harold, meron din siyang red. Regalo ko din sa kanya yun nung last Christmas. Yan. Everyday belt bag. Not bad. Cute ng color. Pink. Ayan. Yung sa pockets niya. Same. Pati yung likod na zipper. Ayan. Medyo dumihin pero syempre ingatan natin. And washable naman siya, guys, if ever. O water repellent pa siya, adjustable strap. Ayun. Cute ng color. Light pink. Diba? Ayan lang naman. Yung akin nabili online. Ayan. Kaka-browse. Nakita ko lang yan yung ad nilang naka-sale. Napa-order ako. Okay. That's it for our vlog today, guys. Ayan, dito ko naman natatapusin na aming vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy our vlog today. Kahit medyo maiksi lang. Ayan. Hailey, come here! If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on our next vlog. Bye! Hailey! Say bye! Come on, say bye na!
Bye!
Come here! Say bye!
Bye!
Bye! Oh, come on. Oh, bye!